Hey guys, and welcome to Paul's Maths Labs, and today we are going to be looking at converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is basically a number that is mixed with whole numbers and fractions. Okay, so for example, we look at this example. So I've got 2 wholes and 3/5. Okay, that is a mixed number. Okay, mixed with numbers, with whole numbers and with fractions. Okay, now how would I convert something like this to an improper fraction? Okay, an improper fraction is a fraction that has the bigger number is on top and the smaller numbers on the bottom. Okay, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So how do we convert something like this to an improper fraction? Well, what we're going to do, we're going to multiply the 5 by the 2, and then the result that we get there, we're going to add it to the 3, and that is going to be our top number for our improper fraction. So if you want to look, so the top number is going to be the 5 times the 2 plus the 3. So 5 times the 2, then we're going to add the 3 onto it. And the number that goes below our denominator is always going to be what it is there. Okay, so our denominator here is 5. It's still going to be our denominator for here. Okay, so 5 times 2 is going to give us 12 plus 3, which is going to give us, no, sorry, not 12, that's going to be 10, sorry. 10 plus 3, which is going to give us 13 over 5. I knew it was a mistake. I saw it. I knew. I was like, not too sure. Something's wrong here, so I had to look again. Okay. So again, what we done, we times our original denominator by the whole number, and then the value that we got there, we added it onto the 3. So we do the 5 times the 2, which gives us 10, then 10 plus the 3, which gives us 13, and everything is going to be over 5. Okay. So now let's look at some of these examples below. So here again, we're going to do times the 3 by the 8, and then we're going to add that value to the 1. Okay. So we know what our denominator is going to be 3. The top number, that's the only place where we struggle. So we're going to do the 3 times the 8 plus 1. So 3 times 8 is going to give us 24. 24 plus 1 is going to give us 25. So we're going to get 25 over 3. Lovely. Now let's look at this one. So times, and then plus. So we know our denominator is going to be 5. Oh. So 5 times 2, then plus 4. So 5 times 2 is going to give us 10, plus the 4 is going to give us 14. So we're going to get 14 over 5. Okay. Now next one, let's look at the next one here. So again, we're going to times the 7 by the 6, and then the value that we get, we're going to add it to the 5. Okay. So we're going to have 7 times 6 plus 5. And that is going to give us 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 5 is 47. Okay, lovely. Look at the next one here. So again, we're going to times, and then we're going to add. Okay. So we're going to have 7 times 5. 7 times 5 plus 4. So 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 is 39. Here we're going to have 2 times the 7, and then plus the 1. Okay. So 2 times 7 is 14, plus the 1 is going to give us 15. So 15 over 2. Lovely. Now the last one, I'll let you guys think of doing that. You can pause the video because I'm just going to write down the answer. The answer to this one is going to be 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 plus 3, which is 11. 11 over 4. Okay. So guys, in short, that's how to calculate, how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay, so if we look at the top one again, that shows the full again. So originally we had two 3/5. Okay, so we multiplied the 5 by the 2, which gave us 10, and then we done the 10 plus the 3, which gave us 13. And our denominator always stayed as 5. It always stays the same. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for tuning to Paul's Maths Labs. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understand that. If you don't understand it, please leave a comment below. If you do understand it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you guys later.